Okay, now I'm going to do the machining on the titanium handles. I've got them bolted down onto my fixture plate with the stop pin hole on the inside now. And now I'm going to do the rest of the machining on them. And this will probably be a fairly long video, 7 or 8 minutes, I'm thinking. I didn't actually time the last one. I've already proven the program and ran a part. So here we go. Just center drilled the 2 holes that I'll tap. That keeps me on location so that I know they're right on. And now I'll drill them. That's it for those 2 holes. They're now ready to get tapped. And tapping is done on my drill press. So now I'll drill the holes for the other side that the bolts will just pass through, the screws will pass through. And since I'm using an end mill, I don't have to center drill those. Those are drilled. Now I'll counterbore them. The counterbore allows the screw head to sit down flush with the surface. That's it. All the screw holes are done. That noise you hear is a tool changer I built. Instead of me having to use a wrench to tighten up my drawbar on this machine, I built myself a little thing out of an impact gun that does it for me. So now we'll get to the milling. Turn some coolant on. Machine traverses over to the spot where it starts. I come down to a depth that I predetermined, lock the spindle, tell it to go. Now it's going to do 3 laps around the part, getting progressively closer and closer to the finished dimension. And this is actually where it'll get long and boring, because I have to imagine this is 4 or 5 minutes to do both of these parts. Third and final lap on this particular side. This is just taking off half a thousandth and it's running a little bit slower, so it gives me a little bit cleaner of an edge. I will actually end up grinding all of these edges again when I'm all done. This is probably overkill, but again, as we've learned on this project, I am into overkill. So it's going to finish up this part and then move over and do the other side. set this back on the tripod. So I have one more tool to go before everything's all done. Last tool I'm putting in will put a nice chamfer all the way around the edge so I don't have a sharp corner. And that's it. This one will run around one time, around each part. Put a nice chamfer on it. Show you what one looks like when it's all done. There's a part that I proved earlier. As you can see, the inside is a sharp corner and the outside has a nice chamfer on it. I'll go up and clean that up with my grinder too, but that did the bulk of the work for me and got it all nice and even. Let me get the machine out of the way, blow it off, and there we have it. 2 more parts, all the machining complete.